Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're making delicious honey garlic glazed salmon. This dish is so simple and easy to prepare, and it's so good that it literally melts in your mouth. Come and join me as I walk you through this recipe. Before we begin, do me a favor. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons below and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on new delicious recipes to try. This will also allow us to continue to share our family's favorite recipes, and thank you so much for your support. We're going to begin by preparing the marinade. You'll see the marinade ingredients on the next few clips. I'll also add them to the description box below. And now we're going to stir it to ensure that all the ingredients are well combined. Next, we're going to place the sliced lemons onto the baking pan. Now we're going to place the salmon right over the lemons. Now we're going to slather the marinade over the salmon. I suggest using a spoon to do this so that you can spread it evenly. The sauce is going to naturally drip over to the sides, but this is perfectly fine because this is going to prevent the salmon from burning. Just keep pouring the mixture until you get an even layer on top. If you are enjoying this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button so you can get notified of new delicious recipes that you can try. This will also help the algorithm for YouTube to suggest other channels with similar content that may benefit you. We're going to set the oven to the broil setting and we're going to broil the salmon for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes have passed, we're going to remove the salmon from the oven and we're going to baste it with its own juices. This extra step will keep the salmon moist and will also enhance the flavor. After this, we're going to put it back in the oven and we're going to broil it for another 10 minutes. Introducing our delicious and juicy honey garlic glazed salmon. You can pair it with either steamed rice, pasta, steamed veggies, or a salad of your choice. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. If you'd like to see more videos like this, click on one of the thumbnails on the screen. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow our channel. And if you enjoy our videos, click the like button. Thank you so much and happy cooking!